Hello everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Zen. This is Danish and I bring you my weekly performance of My Lead Gen Secret. This is week 8 and before we get into the statistics of my performance, I would really appreciate if you could hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel and help me out with the YouTube algorithm. Moving on, let's just jump right into the number of leads that I have up till so far. 10,300 leads and adding every day. Now, my emails are performing pretty well. The click-through rate is somewhere around 15 to 16% on average. Uh, these last two emails haven't done so good, but well, let's just give it a couple of days and maybe the numbers will change. Now, I'll just move to the affiliates section and show you my commissions. Yeah. Well, last time I made the video, or when I recorded the video, this was the last sale that I had received, and it was a double whammy. $5 for sign up and $5 for OTO, the special email upgrade that Mr. Bill opted for. Since then, I made one direct sale and there has been one recurring commission from one of the sales that were made through my downline. As you can see, it says $4, so that's level 2. Well, to be honest, I wasn't expecting much this month because it's December. People are busy with holidays and, preparing for gifts and whatnot, and they're not exactly checking their emails regularly. So, considering that, I think I've done fairly good because if you see from December 1st till today, I've made decent amount of commissions, including recurring as well as some downline sales. So I'm happy. That's what I'm actually trying to say here, that I am not really disappointed with December. Even though December is actually quite slow in terms of sales, affiliate sales especially. So let's see how we do entering January. That would be not next week, but in a couple of weeks. So we got one more week left in December. Let's see what happens, and hopefully I'll make a couple more sales. Total sales that I've made so far, total commission 292. Now, if you remember in my previous video, in my earlier videos, well, actually not early video, but as soon as the November ended, I made a video about my experience with My Lead Gen for the past 30 days, and in that video you'll be able to see that I made $95. So considering that, 292 in the middle, almost around the middle part of the month, it's almost double the amount that I made in the first month. So, well, actually more than double, because I also had a bonus right around